Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota Minesweeper. The game's objective is simple: clear the entire grid without detonating any hidden mines. You will use your mouse to interact with the board. A left click reveals a square, while a right click places a flag on a square you suspect contains a mine. When you reveal a square, a number will appear, telling you exactly how many mines are touching that specific square. Understanding the numbers is crucial for success. For example, if you reveal a square with the number 1, it means only one mine is adjacent to it. If you see a 2, 2 mines are touching that square. Use these numerical clues to logically determine which squares are safe to click and which ones likely hide a mine. Flagging is your friend. It helps you keep track of your deductions. To elevate your gameplay, start recognizing common patterns. A 1-2-1 pattern, for instance, often indicates a mine between the 2 ones. Focus on clearing larger, open sections of the board early on, as this provides more numerical clues faster. When you encounter a 50-50 situation, sometimes you must make an educated guess, but try to minimize these moments through careful deduction. For a strong start, try clicking squares in the corners or along the edges of the board. These areas often provide clearer initial information. Before making any critical clicks, always take a moment to double-check your flagged squares to ensure accuracy. Remember, mastering Dota Minesweeper comes with practice. The more you play, the better you will become at spotting patterns and making swift, accurate decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.